Today we're doing an unboxing of the Good Housekeeping 2021 planner. Now it does say live beautifully on the front, but that's just sort of their tagline. It is definitely a 2021 dated planner, so that's what we're checking out today. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Now, I have never purchased anything from Good Housekeeping, including their magazine. I don't even know how this popped into my inbox, or maybe it was a Facebook ad. I think because I turned 46 this year, they were like, hey, how is it you're 46 and you don't buy our products? Because I've always thought of Good Housekeeping as something for old people. I could be wrong. I don't know anything about it. Like I said, I've never even bought the magazine. However, this looked really cute, so I went ahead and purchased it. I think it was $21.95 for the magazine, and then they are the magazine for the planner, and then they charged me $7 for shipping. And it did take a long time to come. It took so long that when I got it in the mail, I was like, what is this? Who ordered this? Because I had forgotten. So I don't remember. I think it was like a month and a half or something it took for shipping, but let's go ahead and take a look inside. So I didn't follow the rules and I did not cut it on the lines you were supposed to. I cut it over here, but I do like that this envelope was pretty sturdy, and it says fragile, do not bend. It has their Good Housekeeping, and I guess they publish these other magazines as well. And I've actually never heard of them, but I'm sure they're probably the same audience. So this is a chipboard. It has an oak coil binding, and let's just go ahead and open it up. So it has a nice little, I think that's like a light teal color over here. Live life beautifully, 365 days of ideas and inspiration, which guess this means it's not a leap year. So it does have the phases of the moon inside of there. You get a year at a glance for this year, next year, and 2022. And so for 2020, it starts out with September. This is obviously much later, but this is just a 2-page monthly spread. It has life hacks. It has kitchen hacks. Let's read this one. Need room temp butter for baking, but don't have time to let chilled sticks sit out? Grate them. The thin pieces will soften quickly. You know, every time I try to use a grater, I literally cut my hands and there's like blood everywhere, but I could see how that might be a good idea if you had maybe a machine that could grate for you. Then we go right into 2021, and we have this nice 2-page spread with your guide to a bright, happy winter. And then we have build your own baguette pizzas. Oh, there's recipes. That's cute. Pretty up your pillows and arrange a shelfie. And then we have seize the moment. Remember all those women on the Titanic who waved off the dessert cart. I don't know what that means, but here we go. We have a week spread here where it's just boxes. So I guess just for you to put notes in. I don't know that it's really a planner as much as it's more just, I think, just a really cute magazine. So you have January. I like that they made the week that you're on darker than the rest of the dates. And again, just cute little magazine articles. And it looks like they have these hacks all throughout. Next week in January, master meal prep once and for all. And then here, like they promised, they have the phases of the moon, and they also have holidays built in here. So I will just flip through this quickly so you can kind of see this. We have February. We have manicures, how to liven up your space. We have the beginning, I don't know what that is, candles. We have some food pictures, some organization tips over here. We have flowers, and then we have spring. So now we have another section. So it looks like for each season, they're giving you a couple magazine-like pages, and then they jump right back into their weekly. You get some recipes over here. Which oddly enough, these are not recipes for deviled eggs. These are recipes for guacamole, Caesar dressing, and ham and cheese. I just think it's funny the picture didn't match. Here we go, DIY outdoor seating, pictures of a bunch of kids. Let's see, more stuff. Wear white. And does this recipe match the picture? Rhubarb twist with rhubarb compote. So this one, I think, matches. All right, so we have quotes in here as well. And then we're just trying to get to a new season. And now we have summer. So now we have a nice little 2-page spread for summer and how to create comfy open outdoor living spaces. Assuming you have a yard. Again, that's why I think this is always for older people. We rent in an apartment. Homemade ice cream. We have aloe. We have a quote. We have a salad, sunglasses, outdoor stuff, pack like a pro, and now we get another season. Now we have fall, so we're officially halfway through this planner. Some more magazine pages, some more recipes, and then we go back to quotes and some more recipes and tips. I mean, I find this enjoyable and like something fun to look at, since, maybe you go through magazines pretty quickly. This could be like your annual magazine with new articles all the time that are given, in theory, just in time. In fact, I really like this idea. Be your own guest, again, shortcut, Hanukkah hot donuts. And maybe I only like this because I'm older now. Like I said, I've never ever tried Good Housekeeping. I always thought it was for older people. So maybe now that I'm at 46, I'm like, this is the perfect planner. Okay, organize your entire year. This is more like spring cleaning, checklists, and we're done. Look at that. You get a 20% off coupon. There is literally just one page, not even 2 sides, just one page for notes. So clearly this is not meant for taking notes. And then just a bunch of credits over here. It pretty much looks like this Mike Garten guy has a monopoly on all the pictures. And that's the end. So what did you think? I really liked it. I think it would work 1,000% better as a digital planner, only because, like I always say, you should never put color pictures, like actual photograph images, onto this cheap sort of paper. Those kind of images should only go on magazine quality paper that's glossy. Otherwise, photos just look tacky or cheap or faded. The only person I've ever seen do that is Savor the Success Planners, and the owner just wanted to put a picture of herself, like in this really swanky dress on the front, and it's a cute picture, but again, it looks bad because it's on that cheap thin paper. Whereas if it had been a magazine style paper just for the front one, it would have looked much nicer. However, it probably would have cost too much to have done that. So this is, in my opinion, a really cute planner, just in terms of the layout and the fact that there's kind of a new theme, a little bit of a magazine quality style to it. And I really like it. But again, I still think it would work out better as digital versus physical. But let me know in the comments below what you think. And I hope everyone is having a fabulous Saturday. Remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below, and I will talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.